Speedy recap of our Vietnam travels. We first started here How Long, Lan Ha Bay, Cat Ba Island, and then we took the bus a little bit down here to Ninh Binh, UNESCO World Heritage with stunning nature like these Trang boats on the river with these limestone cliffs. And today we are going to Long Wetland Nature Reserve. From Sierra Homestay, where I'm staying, it takes about 20 minutes by car. And this is how it looks in satellite view. Here you can already see the small boats. Actually, I didn't know, but it is another place where you're gonna take a boat. We are now at Van Long, ecotourism destination. Wow, really beautiful couple and a nice cow here on the street side. Wow, nice. Wow, no shit, these people with the cows who were pushing me to take photos with them just to ask for a tip are actually getting tourists on this, and we'll take them around. Oh my god. Yeah, look at this, we got the ticket and here are the boats and many ladies lined up, and some beautiful flower and beautiful nature and water lilies everywhere. Yay, we departed from the boat. Wow. There are so many of these beautiful water lilies, and the sun is strong, so I have a hard time to capture this pink color because it continuously gets bright. But yes, wow, so beautiful.
Hôm nay có vẻ đông khách nhỉ? Nè, 50, 100. Nè, đâu nữa.
Wow, we are bird spotting. A fisher king. A fisher king bird. Okay, yes, I caught him. Wow. Oh my god. Kingfisher or something. So beautiful.
Làm gì bán cái này? Ở mình có.
Cần mà lâu, bán là nhanh chạy, bán chỉ được từng sáng thôi.
Wow, and look at this perfect reflection in the lake because there is almost no wind. Gorgeous.
Này đi sau nhé, lần sau lấy cho sao mình gõ cái trống này. Đứng ở dưới cho bắt tay này. Kêu như chuông trống thật. Ông hòm sách này đi lại cân chỗ đằng kia của con gì
Everywhere perfect mirrors, and you can observe many birds and wildlife if you have good eyes and know where to look for them, which I both don't. This is our beautiful lady. Beautiful. Wow, see how stylish the colors, nice colors, and with red. Thanks. Thank you. Wow.
Rồi vào đây à? Thôi đánh đi. Có thấy cái vọt nào không? Đập như vậy thì chưa thấy vọt. Đúng rồi.
Wow.
Nào vào.
So I'm trying to ride. I'm trying to, steer the boat. However, it really shows that you don't from the back, so I'm turning again. Okay, we are kind of straight. Now if I could just keep straight. But no, because this hand doesn't have enough power.
Wow.
Not good.
Bạn bơi rất giỏi.
Not good. Getting better. Okay, maybe if I would do this 3 weeks in a row. And plus, see how it's fixed here. It's only fixed with a rope.
À vâng.
So it's not so easy to control.
Hơi lao. Hơi lao.
But yeah.
Đấy. Bạn bơi rất giỏi. Thông minh lắm. Thông minh lắm.
Good muscle training. Oh my god. See how much I have to do only with the left hand to correct the course. So bad.
Okay.
Wow. I totally lost it.
Thôi, bấm nhá.
Yes, so lucky that this beautiful lady knows what she's doing. Wow, and look at the beautiful scenery and beautiful dress, beautiful color. Yay! Actually, this is the best river place until now. And now we get to see near one of these small temples with the offerings. See bananas and a lotus flower and other citrus, and then bread and alcohol. So I think people are, offering to the gods what they will eat, and then later on they will eat it themselves. Wow, and this is so beautiful. And so the gentleman is making it right now. It's a local fruit. Very nice. Wow, thank you so much. That was so nice here. Some hospitality. So we are back where we started, with all the beautiful flowers still here, and this is another skyline that I really like with that church in the mountains. And while we had a private boat ride, look at this. So I was so lucky.
Nhà tôi với ông Cường ông đi rồi, chứ ông Cường ông đi số với 8 mấy đấy, 7 mấy này, đến bao nhiêu đến rồi.
And here too, it is the business of the women. Many boats, and then the women